Oh gosh. It's me, Mariah, Miss Jonas, and Miss Huff. You know all of that. Yep. And then since you know Antonisha not here, so you know we have a stand-in, co-star.
Me, Quenisha, K. Quinny. All right. So what are we talking about today?
I don't even know. Well, I was about to say I had a rant going on, cause earlier we found out from the dancers or whatever that the cheerleaders supposed to be doing our song. Y'all can't even cheerlead. If you wanted to dance, y'all should have got on Dancing Dolls. But now y'all want to dance on the cheerleaders. Y'all supposed to be flipping.
Okay, calm down, But guess what? February 4th, we got our little girl Mariah performing.
What up?
Here, third period in auditorium at CBS. But anyway, y'all wanna come to the auditorium.
Yep. And I think we got some fans in the house.
Retarded Rakita.
I think we got some fans in the house. Woo! Oh my God!
Oh God.
Yeah. Anyway, we love y'all. We can't wait to see y'all. February 4th, be here or be gone.
Remember me, Quinny.